Hello, third grade, and welcome to our word work today. Now, we've been talking in our iRead prep that we would be looking at prefixes and suffixes. Those are parts of words that are added at the beginning or the end of a base word or a root word. Now, today we're going to be looking at prefixes. A prefix is added to the beginning of a base or root word. It provides meaning to the word and it changes what it means. The first prefix we are going to learn and practice today is re. So go ahead and type re into the blank. Re means to do again. So maybe you re-fold your clothes, you fold your clothes again. Maybe you redo your homework. You do your homework again. The second prefix we're going to look at is pre. So maybe you pre-bake something in your oven. You bake it before you finish baking it. Prefix is actually a prefix in itself. Pre and fix means that before you are fixing it. So it's before. Or preheat. You preheat your food. Or preview. You see it before you see the movie. You view it before. The next one is un. Un. And this prefix means not. So if I added it to the word do, undo, I would not do it. Or unavailable means I am not available. And finally, the last one is dis. Like disable. You are not able to do something. Now, when you add a prefix or a base to a root word, it changes the meaning, just like we talked about with pre. If I add pre to the word view, which means to see, and pre means before, that changes the meaning to see before, preview. If you preview a movie, you are seeing it before it is released. So we're going to be writing some words that have these prefixes in them, and you will be adding one to each category. Now remember, re means to do again. Pre means before. Un means to not. And dis means no or not. So let's say I want to find a word that would let me fill my water bottle again. Well, this one means again. And I can attach that to fill. Refill. Go ahead and type that out. That means to fill again. Another word with the prefix re would be reheat. Maybe you've reheated your pizza in the microwave. The last word with the prefix re be replay. Maybe you replay a movie or you replay a song. You play it again. Now for the prefix pre. Well, there's an easy one. Prefix means to fix before, because pre means before. Type that out. And maybe you've been to school before you started reschool, or normal school, and that is called preschool. It's before normal school. Or you preheat your oven. So you'll come up with one more word that has pre as a prefix. Our next one is un. Well, we talked about the word undo, to not do. If you are not able to do something, be unable to do it. Or something is not even, that could be uneven. Remember, prefixes are attached to root words. Root words can stand on their own. So if I highlight just the root word, do, that's a word that can stand alone. Able, that's a word that can stand alone. Even, that's a word that can stand alone. Let's check on this one. If I just highlight the root word, the base word, school, yep, that can stand on its own. Heat, yep, that can stand on its own. Now finally for dis. Now you could dislike someone. That means that you do not like them. Go ahead and type that out. If you disable something, or if you are disabled, that means that you aren't able to do something. What about if you disobey? That means that you are not obeying. For your part, make sure you have all of these written out and write as many as you can think of words that have these prefixes attached to them. Once you're finished with that, you can move on to the next activity for today.